last video, I talked about how back pain, fatigue, swelling in your feet and ankles, leg pain, dark urine, itchy skin, a rash, muscle twitching, problems sleeping, nausea, constant headaches, high blood pressure, and low libido all could be symptoms that your kidneys may be suffering. There may be toxins in your body that your kidneys can't seem to filter out. Drinking lots of filtered water helps clear sodium and toxins from your kidneys, but sometimes that's not enough. Flushing your kidneys is a good start. So here is a great kidney cleanser, a tonic that can help you to flush uric acid and other toxins away from your kidneys. We're using half a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice, 1 cup of green tea, a 1/4 cup of frozen cranberries, 1 cup of dark or red seedless grape, a 1/4 cup of red bell peppers, 1 cup of frozen sweet pitted cherries, a half a cup of cauliflower, 1 cup of spinach, and we are going to be using sea moss. I'm using purple sea moss from Herbal Vineyards. Sea moss is known to have beneficial factors for your kidneys, liver, and pancreas.
You can feel it going down.